This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 29 of Building the Robocop. Mr. Robocop to you, I should think. Let's have a look before we start on this second leg. New Adventures, Old Faces. Talking about the sequels and possibly the TV series. I hadn't read it, so if you want to read it, pause and read all of that. But let's flick through. Starting on the right calf, part 1. More the ankle than the calf, really, or ankle and calf, I assume. So we're doing the outer part on there, putting the bracket in, and then putting the shell onto that, or the inner calf rather. There we go. Pathfinder applies to Mars. Pathfinder the rover. I built a Mars rover. There's a video on the channel where you can see where I built it. Very cool stuff. Data mining, yeah, that's not a good thing. Don't do that. So there we go. Yeah, right. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it built. Okay, so I have dug out the foot from a while back. This ankle joint is already built. It's very strange. It's got two sort of ankle joints in there because there's that one and then there's the one we're going to put on there today. So that one on there is quite secure, quite stiff. It's actually a ball joint on there. So I'm not sure how it's going to work with him standing up, but we'll figure it out. So this is being attached to that. We've got the metal gearing that's going to go onto that metal gearing on a post there, like so. That's held in place with a spring. And that all goes into there. There's a key point there where that's got to go, and then that will allow that to rotate in clicky stages. So that is held on there with one of these RM screws. Only 2 screws to put in this issue. One of them go through there and hold all of that together. Do that. Trying to hold it, get it. There's a little bit of tension with that spring there. Make sure it all lines up properly. Put that one in there. Get that in there. There we go. Get that nice and secure. So that will still move. Not very easily at the moment because it's got no leverage. Let's add some leverage. We've got our entire panel to put in, which goes on the well, this is the right foot. So this is the inside. Yeah, the same as the other one's got the metal on the inside. So that goes through there like so. Sort of doesn't really lock in place as yet, but we need the other FM screw for that. That will go spare for later. We've got the screw through this that goes through the top bit. Holds that together for now. Obviously there's more going to be holding it together through the other hole just underneath there when the other side panel goes on, because that's going to go through from this side into that side. Get that nice and secure in there. There we go. So then we've got the foot action and very tight off on that. I might loosen that off a little bit. I feel that's going to make a lot of difference because that's very springy in there. But there's enough movement in the ankle that I'm not worried about that, to be honest. I'll leave that as it is. Once it's together, I might get that to move, but equally, I don't think I need it to move a great deal anyway. So there we go. Start on the second leg. I'd rather do something different. We've just finished a leg. I'd rather, I suppose we did an arm and we've done a leg. We could go back and we start on the torso a bit maybe, but well, when we get the leg done, at least it will be fresh in our memory as to how we built it ish. So yeah. Right, there we go. That's that. One more pack, one more issue in this delivery. So I'll get to that soon. And you can see that in a couple of days. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.